Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best Fishfinder GPS combo you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best Fishfinder GPS combo on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which Fishfinder GPS combo are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Garmin Striker 4 Transducer GPS Fishfinder. The Striker Fishfinder series includes high-sensitivity GPS. You can see your position in relation to waypoints you have marked. Use the waypoint map to easily view, mark and navigate to locations such as brush piles, stumps and docks. It's also a great tool for finding your way back to the boat ramp. You can quickly and easily see your boat's speed on the screen of your Striker Fishfinder. It's a great tool to make sure you are trolling at the right speed for the lure you're using and for a particular fish species. It's also a good way to tell if you are going the right speed in wake-controlled areas. A portable kit is available to protect and carry your Striker Fishfinder with GPS, so it's perfect for kayak, canoe or ice fishing. It includes a sealed, rechargeable battery with charger, built-in transducer cable management and storage and suction cup transducer mount and float. Striker 4 Fishfinder includes a Garmin Chirp 77 by 200 kHz transducer, which provides a visibly higher level of clarity and detail for fish and structure than traditional transducers. You also can upgrade to high-performance Garmin Chirp technology, which provides crystal-clear sonar images with even more remarkable target separation and resolution from shallow to deeper depths. For better fishing, bottom contours are more visible, even at higher speeds, and signal noise can be suppressed at greater depths to provide a more timely interpretation. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Fishfinder GPS combo is Garmin Striker Plus 5 CV GPS Fishfinder. The Striker Plus 5 CV Fishfinder with a bright 5-inch display and built-in GPS features Garmin Chirp traditional sonar, Garmin Chirp Clearview scanning sonar and Quick Draw Contours map drawing software, which stores up to 2 million acres of content with one contours. The built-in, high-sensitivity GPS finds and maintains your position anywhere you go on the water. The GPS allows you to mark waypoints for different locations. So, if the fish are biting in one spot, you can mark it, and return to it on your next trip. Mark docks, boat ramps and other locations on the lake, and create routes back to them for your next trip. GPS also allows Striker Plus 5 CV to show your speed on screen, so you can be sure you're trolling at the right speed for the lure you're using or in wake-controlled areas. The built-in GPS lets you mark and navigate to waypoints and shows your boat's speed. While you are trolling the shorelines and the depths, Quick Draw Contours mapping software creates HD fishing maps of the places you've been. No special knowledge is required. The Striker Plus 5 CV Fishfinder makes fishing a breeze, and it's built to work in any environment. The bright, sunlight-readable display gives you a clear view of what is below your boat, even on the brightest days. And the larger screen gives you a better view of what is happening below the boat. The intuitive user interface makes it simple to navigate to whatever feature you need, so you are ready for anything on the water. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Garmin Striker 4CV GPS Fishfinder. The Striker Plus 4CV Fishfinder includes Garmin Chirp technology combined with Garmin Clearview scanning sonar for a nearly photographic, wide image of what passes below your boat. You clearly see structure, submerged objects and fish. Paired with Garmin Chirp traditional sonar for remarkable target separation, this transducer will help you catch more fish. The Striker Plus 4CV Fishfinder makes fishing a breeze, and it's built to work in any environment. The bright, sunlight-readable display gives you a clear view of what is below your boat, even on the brightest days. And the larger screen gives you a better view of what is happening below the boat. The intuitive user interface makes it simple to navigate to whatever feature you need, so you are ready for anything on the water. Includes transducer for built-in Garmin Chirp traditional sonar plus Chirp Clearview scanning sonar. Built-in Garmin QuickDraw contours mapping software lets you create and store maps with one contours for up to 2 million acres. Built-in GPS lets you mark waypoints, create routes and view boat speed. Fourth recommendation in our side is Humminbird ICE Helix 9 GPS Fishfinder. Watch fish, structure and your lure in real time, powered by the unmatched detail of mega imaging, on a full-color 9-inch HD LCD display. And take advantage of crystal-clear dual-spectrum Chirp sonar with 3/4-inch target separation, Chirp interference rejection, built-in GPS with Humminbird base map and compatibility with both Lake Master or Navionics maps. Additional features designed specifically for the ice angler include Auto Chart Live Ice, Jig Charge Mode, split-screen views, premium shuttle and 20 ampere-per-hour lithium battery separate this unit from all others on the ice. See fish, bait and structure in real time with no gaps in sonar coverage, powered by the unmatched detail and clarity of mega imaging throughout the entire sonar view. 6 settings keep competing sonar signals from cluttering your screen, providing a clear view in both sonar and flasher modes. Hone in on fish, whether they are tight to the bottom, or suspended high in the water column. Utilize 2x zoom on the flasher screen, or up to 16x zoom on 2D sonar view. Last in our top 5 best fish finder GPS combo list is Garmin GPS Map 1242XSV. Experience an advanced all-in-one solution with our 12-inch GPS Map 1242XSV keyed combo. Includes transducer for Garmin Chirp sonar, Chirp Clearview and Chirp Side View also available without transducer. It also has built-in support for Panoptix all-seeing sonar and premium Garmin sonar modules. Features a large, bright screen coupled with a quick and easy-to-use keypad interface with user-programmable keys and a multifunction control knob. The Garmin GPS Map has an optically bonded display, which means it uses glass and a gel bonded to the display to provide an improved optical viewing experience. When you combine the excellent display with the dual-channel Chirp and down vision sonar, you get some fantastic images on the fish finder. The Chirp technology simultaneously pings across a range of frequencies, resulting in increased detail and target separation.